It will help you access the fight sound effects in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Number 1, make sure your video clip is deselected. Bottom left hand screen and click audio. Scroll to the right until you see sound effects. Here, you want to scroll to the right on the top hand screen. You see the option fight. Click one of the sound effects. Capcut Mobile is going to preview the audio. If you're happy or satisfied with the sound effect, you can click the plus icon, and now the sound effect has been added to the timeline. You can add multiple by going to sound effects and do the exact same thing. Or should I say, this is the before. This is the after. Completely for free.